All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, 365% on your initial investment, 1% back every single day. For 365%, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're talking about Dogelon Mars. Yeah, this token is ding, 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 discount buy right this second if you're into it. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, got an article about this weekend being a rough weekend, and it looks like it is. Also, Nvidia, their voltage goes mining. Nvidia is trying to make a push with their graphics cards for mining. Mining is not dead. Mining is still going on. And Nvidia is making a push with their different cards and this and that. We're going to go over to that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own cryptocurrency, make 365% on your investment, 1%, all kinds of stuff. Hey, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. Over here at CoinMarketCap, ding, 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 23, almost 24% down. Dogelon on the weekend is 24% down, 7% just today. Clicking it. Over here to the right, it's 7% down. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 77. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Today, I mean, if you were sled riding and you were going down this hill, you would really, really like it. Now, if you're an investor and it's going down this hill, you really, really don't like it. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the 7 days. In 7 days, this token is down 24%. Again, this could be a great time to cost average yourself and bring your price down on your coins. If you haven't got into Dogelon Mars yet, this could be the best time ever with a 24% down right this second. Let's go ahead and check out the holders and see if there's more or less people holding the Dogelon Mars. Clicking it. Going over here to the 3 months. Clicking it again. 3 months ago, we had about 115,000 people holding the Dogelon. Today we got 130,000. So we're 15,000 up. That's 10%. 10% of more people holding the Dogelon. Clicking it over here to the actual Twitter account, it says Dogelon is now live on Fuse Network. Voltage pools are engaged. Beefy Vault online. With help of Fuse, we will soon expand to all corners of the world. We're going to come back to this, but this is how you can make passive income with Dogelon Mars, even in a tough economy. Checking out this article over here at Watchers News. Should Dogelon Mars holders brace themselves for volatility this weekend? You should. It's 24% down right now. What's going on with the Dogelon? The cumulative crypto market managed to stay above $2 trillion market quite a few days post Valentine's dip. But however, the same has changed on Friday. After dipping or dunking 5.5%, the global crypto market is actually below $2 trillion, 1.94% trillion. Just in the global market, cryptocurrency market has fallen to under $2 trillion. Now, if the market falls, a lot of the coins are going to go down. During this market phase, assets in the crypto space have struck a behavior in a certain predictable way on Saturdays and Sundays. Options expiring, weekends closing, trader settlement, and how the factors play into the crucial role in shaping up in the weekend. Yeah, the weekend trends are starting to fascinate everybody to pay attention to things. Now, they're saying Elon right here on the weekend usually drops about 10%. So Elon doesn't do that good on the weekend. It's got about 10% drop. So you want to pay attention to that. Dogelon Mars is only registering 2 particular long candles. There's our favorites friend, Dogelon Mars, Elon Musk. Ticker is actually Elon. It says, would Elon's price swing great forces over the next couple days? Well, it's 24% down right this second, everybody. Meanwhile, the price of Elon is now positioned to change dramatically over the weekend in either direction. Well, we know it's 24% down, so we know which direction it's went. Discount buy, ding, 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 basically pay attention, or cost average your actual where you're at. So again, this article right here is pretty on point for the weekend. Should Dogelon Mars holders brace themselves for the weekend? Yeah, you know about crypto. I've told you months ago, you need to strap in. Get ready. This cryptocurrency can go straight up in the same day, down in the same day, to the left and to the right. You got to have a strong heart with cryptocurrency. Could be the reason why you want to actually have diversification and not just be buying the coins And when you're buying the coins, hoping they go up, you may want to have some projects like Drip Network. You may want to have some projects like Strong Nodes. You may want to have some projects like Project X Nodes, Power Nodes. I mean, there's all kinds of different projects that you can actually do other than just buying the coin. Now, I do like buying the coin, and I like sitting on it and hoping and praying that it's the lottery ticket that actually hits and stuff like that, but these other projects are actually doing pretty good. How about mining? Let's head over to Nvidia. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head over to Nvidia. Nvidia Voltage goes mining. GV100 Powered CMP 100 HX mining cards. All right, so we got some mining going on here. Nvidia is not exactly eager to disclose the hardware specifics of the crypto mining processor CMP cards aiming at Ethereum mining. Instead, it's giving chip makers flexibility in GPUs. It can be used for a given hash rate, but a lineup Nvidia CPM cards is expanding. They leaked the open market details about the start to emerge. As it turns out, Nvidia former flagship GPU, the GV100, now powers Nvidia CPM 100 HX board. All right. Nvidia has never publicly announced its CPM 100 HX card, and the board is absent from the list of crypto mining options on the website. However, the card has been available for a while. Someone has published a picture of the CPM 100 HX at a PC shopping forum. According to the post, the exciting part about this card is the accelerating produces around 80 hash. So they're not exactly clear why they call it 100 HX if it only produces 80. It says right here, given that Nvidia's crypto mining CPM branded business has been on a decline. Kind of looking at some of the actual parts of the card here. Given Nvidia's crypto mining CPU branded business has been down and declined for the quarter, it is not surprising that the company is selling its leftover to miners. So here's my point to all you companies that make GPUs and everything. Oh, you want to favor the gamers. Now listen, I like the gamers. I play games too. But when you make all these cards low hash rates and now the actual miners don't want to buy, I'm happy that your sales are down. I'm glad that you are taking a fourth quarter drilling down and losing money. Because again, you want to cater to only the gamers. The gamers only need to buy one card to game. Miners buy 6, 12, 20, 30, 40. So you're going to cater to the gamers? And literally all of us have these TIs and these low hash rates. So guess what we do? We don't buy them. We don't buy the cards at a low hash rate. We buy the cards that are good for mining. Oh, now you're trying to dump the cards off to miners. Well, I hope the miners don't buy it. But I mean, buy it if it's a good deal and you can actually make some good money mining Ethereum or whatever. But it's like, maybe you should go back to the drawing board and not make all your cards low hash rate. Oh, to cater to the gamers. And remember, I like gamers too. But not a good business model. Not a good business model to only cater to one side of the token. So your sales are down, and now you're trying to dump your stuff off to the miners. Meanwhile, it's still rather interesting to see the unique GV100 GPUs. We can do graphics, compute, and display interface for mining Ethereum. So again, Nvidia and their mining cards. They had their fourth quarter of their sales last year was really down. I heard like 70-some%. All right, 24% down for Dogelon Mars. Ding, 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 discount buy. GPUs are going on discount. I did a thing yesterday talking about that some of these cards are 38 to 40% discount. I don't know if I agree with that because every time I go to the Micro Center or any of my friends go to the Micro Center, it seems like we don't get cards. There seems like there's still a supply and demand thing. I know the articles are saying that cards are coming down. Give us your comments in the bottom. Are you buying cards for 30 to 40% lower? I'm sure not, but I'm starting to hear that the cards are discount. Don't forget to leave it in the bottom. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel too. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars for a price prediction and check out their website. Over here, Dogelon Mars token is now on Fuse. Well, the nice thing about being on Fuse is you can actually get passive income being on Fuse. Dogelon Mars is now on Fuse. We are thrilled to announce that Dogelon Mars token has now been posted on Fuse Network. Fuse Network becomes the only fourth EVM chain on which the token has officially been enabled. Fuse Trading Post has been created. Voltage Finance, DEX. The initial liquidity has been deposited to help jumpstart the trading, and liquidity reward programs had been launched on the pool with 1,000 Fuse in rewards for the grabbing. It says right here, the yield farming program on Elon/Fuse pools on Voltage Finance and the LP tokens boost and represent an attractive addition passive income stream for the Dogelon Mars community. Let's blow this up here. Did you see that? If you're in Dogelon Mars and you aren't happy about your 24% down on Fuse, you can use this. It represents an attractive addition for passive income stream for the Dogelon community. So you may want to check that out, everybody. Going over to the website, Dogelon Mars, there's 6 places you can buy Dogelon: crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoin, Huobi, and Gemini. There's over 650,000 people on the community. On their Telegram, there's over 90,000. You got the Sega will begin right here with the comics to kind of talk about that. Dogelon is ranked at 131, market cap of 424.94 M. It's got a start guide here. If you don't know how to do your MetaMask and you don't know how to swap, there's a little quick guide right here. You can kind of learn how to do it. It's not really that hard. Back over here at Dogelon Mars. Now, what's my price prediction? This coin's back 24% down. I'm going to say it's going to bounce back 20 to 24% in the next week or so. All our information is for educational purposes only, but it does seem to go like this. The article did say that the coin goes down a lot on the weekend time, and when it goes down on the weekend, what does it do? It bounces back on Monday, Tuesday. So there's my price prediction, and again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Dogelon Mars, again, 23% down. I just want you to look 2 above here. IMX is also 24% down right here at 129. Just wanted to kind of look at the top 5 real quick. Bitcoin is down 10%. It's under 40,000 right now. Ethereum is around 2,600. It's down 10%. BNB is down 6%. We got red on the top. Let's see. No, we got red in the top 10. How many tokens can we go down before we got to go all the way down to Terra USD before we see? Oh, that's barely a gain. We can't count that. How far do we got to go before we? So there's a red. Everything is red. Oh my gosh, the crypto. This is the ding discount buy heaven. All right, so Dogelon Mars down 24%. Nvidia is trying to bring new cards to the market. Oh, they're trying to dump their cards off on miners. Nvidia, I hope you watch my thing. Stop making low hash rate cards. Make all the cards that they're fantastic for everybody. If you're mining with the card or you're playing with the card, why wouldn't you want the card to be super strong? All right, I don't know. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click right here to learn how you can get 365% on your initial investment, 1% back every single day with the Drip Network. If you need a buddy, you have to have a buddy link. My buddy link will be listed in the bottom to help you make your 1% every single day. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Have a fantastic day.